Well, hello there. I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making peach crisp. This is a delicious recipe with peaches on the bottom and a nice crumble on top. So let's start.
The first thing we're gonna do is of course cut our peaches. The smart thing to do is to cut the peach in half and then twist it. Next we're gonna add our flour, cinnamon and salt into a bowl. Add our sugar and butter. I used cane sugar for it. We want to cut the butter in the flour and sugar mixture. As you can see, it took a little bit too long, so I used my hands. Once it comes together, add your oats. You don't want it to get lumpy. After you've done mixing, you put the bowl into the refrigerator to firm up a bit, so we can move on with the filling. Grab your peaches and add your sugar and flour to it. Mix it until well combined. Here I have an oven pan greased with butter. Add your peaches to it. And the oat mixture on top. As you can see, it already looks delicious before going into the oven. You want to bake it 40 to 50 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After it's come out of the oven, let it cool slightly and eat.
And that's it. Thanks for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking, and I'll see you next time at your dinner.